Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, may praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessings be upon his prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Honorable President, respected teachers, dear audience, and my Muslim brothers and sisters. Today, I want to speak some words about the concept of Islamic brotherhood in Islam. Dear friends, the importance of brotherhood in Islam cannot be overlooked. There are many ahadith relating to the facts that Muslims are a single united body. Each part is responsible for the other. According to one such hadith, Muslims are like one body. If one of the parts is injured or hurt, the rest of the body feels that pain. The brotherhood of Muslims is a very deep and wide concept that guarantees the safety and well-being of the Islamic society at large. Islam, being a complete way of life, is primarily for the society. It promotes a healthy and well-disciplined lifestyle in every sense of the word. Allah declared that Muslims are brethren to each other. As the Quran says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ فَأَصْلِحُوا بَيْنَ أَخَوَيْكُمْ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. All believers are but brother. Therefore seek reconciliation between your two brothers and fear Allah, so that you may be pleased with mercy. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, none of you will have fat till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Dear friends, it's not permissible for a Muslim to sever relation with his brother for more than 3 days. Muslims are asked to show kindness to each other, to respect the elder and care the younger honest. They are taught to greet each other with peace be on you. Likewise, a Muslim is not really a believer if he eats his full stomach while ignoring the plight of a hungry neighbor. Friends, Islam promotes us to unite and required us to be united. But it's regretful. We have divided ourselves on the line of caste, religion and language. Until we will not hold fast the concept of Islamic brotherhood, we will never succeed to return our past glory. May Allah help us and have mercy upon us. Here I conclude my speech.
बहुत अच्छे माशाअल्लाह